I'm gonna make a quick honey yogurt whipped cream. And I'm using some vanilla bean yogurt, just for a little tang. I've got some honey, and then I have some whipping cream, and I'm also using a product called Whip It. It really, really helps with making sure that we get some pipeability and it holds its structure. So I'm gonna add in my heavy whipping cream, nice and cold, just came out of the refrigerator. And to this, I'm gonna add some of my Whip It. Now normally I add an entire pack of Whip It to 1 cup, but we're a 1/4 cup shy of a cup, so I'm not gonna add all of it in. But I'll just sprinkle that in. That feels good. And I'm gonna go ahead and start whipping this. I wanna make sure my Whip It gets incorporated. Now I've also got a measuring spoon here that's been soaking in hot water. I'm going to use that to help dissolve my honey, which is gonna add a little bit of sweetness to this. And I'm gonna start whipping that. So this comes together pretty quick. We don't wanna over whip it. We just really want some stiff peaks, which I've achieved. And then I'm going to take my yogurt, and I want this delicious vanilla bean yogurt. I want this to add a little bit of tang. And I'm just gonna fold this in to my whipped cream. And then you can, of course, taste and adjust as you see fit, but I'm just going to fold that in. I don't want to deflate it. And the nice thing about the Whip It is that this will continue to hold its shape. I can put it in the refrigerator and it will have hold a nice shape. We're done with our honey whipped cream.